It's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video is going to be about, people misunderstanding the how are you? Have you ever just been minding your business and then someone ends up coming around you, and just to be polite, you greet them and you say, yeah, how are you? But you don't exactly mean how are you. You're just being polite, and then they tell you their whole life story.
Hey Rachel.
Oh hey, how are you? Not so good. You will never believe what has been happening to me. So last night, my boiler decided it wants to break down. So you can already imagine the shower I had. Then you know what? I just wanted to go to bed and sleep it all off. But no, my neighbours decide that they want to have the biggest party of the year all of a sudden, and that just kept me up all night. Then on my way here, my car decides to break down. I had the worst journey here. I mean, it's been taken in, and I just don't know how I'm gonna get it back today. Furthermore, I don't know how I'm gonna get to the places I need to get today. It has just been a really hectic morning.
I really don't care.
How many things can happen in just less than 24 hours? It just does not make sense to me.
I just want to read my book. Please stop talking.
I will get through it somehow. But enough about me. I'm really sorry. How have you been? Ooh, would you look at the time? I was actually just about to go and meet someone, and yeah, good luck with everything, and I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Oh, okay. Bye. Add on to list. Now lonely.